everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And happy Thanksgiving to my American viewers. I will be taking the holidays off, so this will be my last video until the 5th of January, whenever I'll start posting again. In this video, I'm down in Tarpon Springs in Fred Howard Park. You will see snapper in this video, sheepshead, marjoram, and a variety of other fish that we see in the Tarpon Springs area. And you will also get to see the corals that we see here on the bottom with the macroalgae that's growing off on the side and the soft and the hard corals that grow in this area. So really beautiful area up in Fred Howard Park. So water's really cleared, so it's a beautiful area. Great fishing spot too. If you like to fly fish, it's a great place for fly fishing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in January. Take care and enjoy the holidays.